guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back. Today is only me, and today we'll be showing you how to cook rice. If you want to know how to cook rice, just follow these simple steps and we're gonna show you how to make rice. So we're gonna start by, this is 2 cups of rice. This is about a pound of rice. So we have 2 cups of rice. We're gonna go ahead and wash it. This is white rice, long grain. You're gonna wash this 3 times, and when you see the water clear, you're gonna wash this first. So it's 2 cups of rice, and now I had 4 cups of water. 4 cups of water, and now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt to the water. Then I'm gonna add the rice. I'm also gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. You can add oil, or you don't have to add any butter, but I like to add butter. Sometimes I like to add butter, so you can do so if you want to. Now I'm gonna turn on the stove and medium high, and then you're gonna cover it. Now I'm gonna give this a stir. I'm gonna give this a stir so the salt is evenly distributed, and the butter is unsalted, it's not salt. And then you're gonna close this and leave it alone. When it starts to boil up, you come back and give it a stir. Just make it boil. Now that it is boiling up, you wanna go ahead and give it a nice stir that nothing is sticking at the bottom. And now you're gonna cover it and lower the heat. You're gonna turn on the stove. You're gonna put it on low. You're gonna leave it for it to steam. It's gonna steam, and it's gonna be pretty nice and fluffy. You don't wanna go and open it. You want the steam to cook the rice. So just leave it and make it steam, and you have the perfect rice. So we're gonna come back when it's done. This is almost done. You wanna go ahead and fluff up the rice. And this is what you call it. And then you're gonna leave it for another 2 minutes, because this is basically finished, but you're fluffing up basically just to make sure every rice grain is cooked. And there you have it, guys. Look at this fluffy, perfect, nice rice. So fluffy and nice. So to get the perfect rice, and this took me 25 minutes. So to get the perfect rice, if you're cooking, it's 1 to 2 ratio. If you're cooking 1 pound of rice or 1 cup of rice, you do 2 cups of water. So it's a 1 to 2 ratio. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and if you enjoy watching this video, please like and leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Bye, guys.